This is Todd with Yamaha Corporation of America. We're here at InfoComm 2026 and we're taking a look at our brand new DME series DSPs. These are open architecture DSPs for the modern world. This is a 64 by 64 Dante DSP with a whole bunch of cool analog I/O on the back as well. So we've got ourselves 8 analog I/Os here in the back along with some flexible I/O. We can use these as inputs or outputs. It's user configurable. Really cool stuff. We have multiple network interfaces here in the back, Dante primary and secondary, and then we have some segmented network connections as well. For example, for command and control to keep that separate from your Dante. That's really cool. GPI ins and outs and native USB audio in and out. Really cool in this box. One rack unit. It's got an LCD screen on the front. If we look right over here, we've actually got some that are turned on. So our DME5 right here, we've got some rudimentary what's going on with the unit. We can check its IP address, we can see what kind of mode it's in and how it's doing, along with status of the unit as well, right from the LCD screen. It's all controllable and programmable as an open architecture DSP using our Provisionaire software. And that's the latest, greatest here from InfoComm 2026 with Yamaha. You can check that all out on our website, which is usa.yamaha.com.